very warm welcome to London Gatwick. Local time here has just gone 7:30 AM. Very shortly the cabin crew will be released from their seats to commence safety-related duties. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened till the aircraft is on stand and the overhead seatbelt signs have been switched off. Portable devices for messaging, calls or internet access may now be used. When you do leave the aircraft, please ensure you have all of your hand luggage with you. Please double check your seat pocket, the floor area and the overhead lockers, and when you do open the lockers, please take great care as items may have moved. Smoking is still not permitted until you have passed through Gatwick Airport and then outside in a designated area. We'll now leave you in the hands of our ground agents here in London. They'll be more than happy to assist you with your onward travel, connections, any further questions regarding flights or baggage. On behalf of Captain Turnbull, myself and the entire crew, it certainly has been a great pleasure having on board this very short flight this morning. Wish you all a very safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination, and we do hope we can be of service to you on a future flight with Easyjet. Thank you and good morning.